All right, guys, this is JJ Sandy from Julita Digital Empire. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that anytime I release any new video with powerful and sweet content, you have access to them. All right. So in this video today, we'll be talking about how to get international call bundles from Nigeria. All right. So a lot of people have been making international calls from their local airtime they recharge, and they spend a lot of money. You can realize somebody putting like 1,000 naira just to make a 10-minute call, sometimes 15-minute call. So it's kind of frustrating like that. So many people don't know about this simple international call subscription that you can do and make over an hour plus call with a very cheap airtime. All right, so many people don't know, and it's very easy to do it. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to go about it in Nigeria, whether you're using MTN sim, whether you're using GLO, whether you're using Airtel. I'll be showing you how to go about it. It's very easy. All right, so the first thing to do is you just come to your Google browser. All right, so when you come to your Google browser, make sure you search MTN International Call Bundle. All right, MTN International Call Bundle. Click on the search button. The moment it clicks on the search button, this is the first one that you see. This website is the website you go to, www.mtn.ng. Click on it. All right, so this is the official website of MTN. All right, now it will show you everything. All right, so now you can see subscribe to any of the three MTN international bundle package and call more countries for less. This bundle is available to all MTN customers and offer low call rates to select mobile numbers across 10 countries, including popular destinations like US, China, Canada, and India. There are two types of international destination bundles. All right, so you can see now international destination bundles, that's the meaning of IDB. Now with IDB 300 you can get 20 minutes international call. That's what it means here. So you can see you spend 300 naira and get 20-minute international call, and it has a 3 days validity. All right, so if it's going to be a long call, you can do it for 40-minute international 40-minute international call for just 500 naira. You can imagine spending 40 minutes on call with just 500 naira. You can imagine how cheap it is. Now look at the worst, the one I like the most. Like if you want to make international call with your loved ones, maybe in the US, in the UK, the Canada. I believe they listed some of the countries here. Like these are the popular destinations many people in Africa usually like to call. Yeah, India, Canada, China, US, even the UK. All you have to do is come here, do the subscription. All right. Now you can see for 1.5 you can have 150 minutes. 150 minutes, like almost 2 hours 30 minutes. You can imagine 2 hours 30 minutes with just 1.5, and it lasts for 30 days. So you can be making calls with your loved one for 30 days. All right, so this is the way to subscribe. All right, so you want to subscribe for this, maybe you want to go for the 300 naira IDB, that's the international destination bundle. That you just text this one, that's IDB 300 to 131. The moment you send IDB 300 to 131, they will automatically deduct 300 naira from your account, phone account balance, and then they will give you the international is it 20 minutes, yeah, international 20 minutes for call. The same thing for the 500, the same thing for the 1,500. This one they will give you IDB 1,500. That's like 150 minutes. That's like 2 hours 30 minutes. So you can imagine you can make long calls now with this bundle. All right, so it's not only on MTN. Let's go for Airtel. Let's say Airtel International Call Bundle. Just click on the enter. Right, so this first one, their official website is www.airtel.com.ng. You come there. All right. All right, so you go down. This is how the Airtel bundle looks like. You can imagine they said Airtel Special International Package for prepaid and postpaid subscribers, which offer up to 70% discount for calls to US, Canada, India, and China. Now, if on a normal basis it will charge you, let's say for 100 naira you won't spend up to be sincere, you won't spend up to 5 minutes. I'm very sure of that. Now you can imagine there will be 70% discount. So if you are gonna use the bundle, as if you subscribe, you buy their international bundle package, it will it will give you a 70% discount. You can imagine. So it varies. This is the international. It comes in four variants. They said the 100 naira, the 200, the 500, and then the 1000. That is one you are seeing here. So this is the one you can use code as well. You can use the what is it called, the SMS. So you can just dial *789*10. That's for the 100 naira. For the 200 *20. For the 500 *60. For the 1000 *88. That's if you want to do the 1000 naira on. All right. So their own is they are giving you 70% discount. That is to say, if you do the subscription, it's almost equivalent to what MTN is doing, but their own is they just did it in percentage of discount. All right. So you can see, just go to their website, their official website. When you search for it here on Google, and then you make the subscription. All right. As well, GLO, you can go to GLO as well and type GLO International Call Bundle and just click on the enter button. This is the official website, it's the one on the top, www.gloworld.com. All right, you click on it. All right, so GLO International Call Bundle is now available on eTop. You can see, I believe you know that GLO is owned by a Nigerian. All right, so you can see, even though the account is not as straightforward as others, you can see subscribers can now buy GLO IDD. That's the international direct I don't know what the own is, DDD, direct bundles, by dialing *777 hash or through GLO Cafe app. All right, so you can just go directly with the 777 app and follow the procedure, including 100 naira what is it called, package for 9 minutes, 3 days validity, 200 naira for 19 minutes, for that 7 days validity, 500 naira for 43 minutes. It's quite cheap as well. I think MTN is 40 minutes, right, for 500. So here is around 43 minutes for 14 days validity. 1000 naira for like 2 hours. This is like 2 hours, um, um, 2 hours 30 minutes. Am I confused? Am I confused? Something like that. Now 90 minutes is like, okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour 30 minutes. That's 3 minutes. So you can see for 30 days. The bundles can be used to call popular in destinations like the United Kingdom, you can see it, the USA, the Canada, the China, the India, Ireland, Malaysia, Singapore, Puerto Rico, South Korea, Israel, Romania, Denmark, Mexico, and a lot more. All right, so you can use any of your network provider to make international calls. All right, so I still want to encourage you, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you come and subscribe and watch other videos. There are many other videos that can help you, like how to make sales on WhatsApp. Many people don't know that they can have their free foreign account on their phones, all right, on their phones, on your laptop. You can just create a free foreign account, USD, GBP, Euro. All I've been explaining in this video. Many people don't know that they can start recharge card printing business with their phone. Everything has been explained, and I'm assuring you I'll be releasing more content, more valuable content that will help you ease your life, especially on the online business. Thank you for watching.